Making money on YouTube doesn't always require you to become a personality with a recognizable face. There are several successful channels out there with creators behind them whose faces and identities have never been revealed but still manage to make a lot out of their channels. Here's how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 5. Choose a niche with a high CPM. As you must have heard before, YouTubers are known for making a lot of their money through ad revenue. CPM basically means cost per 1,000 impressions and is the amount of money that advertisers would be willing to pay you per 1,000 views on their ads in your videos. Choosing a niche for your channel that advertisers would pay large amounts per 1,000 ad views is a great way to make lots of money on your videos. The way to do that is to choose a niche known for having a high CPM. Now, there are several YouTube niches known for this, like investment channels, finance, real estate, gaming, and many more. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be focusing on the health niche. This niche is desirable to advertisers because weight loss, fitness, good mental health, and overall wellness are presently very popular among common people. Everyone is trying to extend their lifespan and live with as little health complications as possible, and as a result, the health market has become one of the most profitable. There are popular YouTubers such as Megan Livingstone and Pickup Limes who utilize this niche and are doing rather well on YouTube because of that. So, this is proof that this niche is worth looking into. If you'd like an example of a channel that's closer to the method of being a creator who keeps their identity hidden, then the creator behind Practical Psychology is a good example. This creator mainly focuses on mental health, but is a channel to take note of. Number 4. Select popular video topics for your videos. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step would be to look into channels that have already established themselves in that niche and find their most popular videos. After doing that, you can go ahead and create videos for your own channel with similar formats, messages, or titles. Essentially, you'll be recreating these popular videos in your own style. It might be useful to also find videos that have been made on the general topic of your channel. For example, a popular YouTube channel called watchmojo.com, which is not known to be in the health niche category, has a video released called Top 10 Healthiest Foods, which currently has over 12 million views. This video is also in the style that we're focusing on, where your face does not have to be shown throughout the video. They simply speak about the healthiest foods in their list and show footage while doing so. No face reveal required. What you would want to do is to make your own video based around the same topic and with a similar title. Never do exactly what the other video has done. Simply take inspiration. WatchMojo.com's video may be named Top 10 Healthiest Foods, but yours could be Top 20 Healthiest Foods or 15 of the best foods for your health. Making your video longer but with the same general idea would be a plus for you, as longer videos contribute to your watch time and create more room for advertisements within your videos. So before diving into making these videos for your channel, find out what sort of videos are popular within your niche and create content based on that. Number 3. Make a voiceover. If you're looking to keep your identity concealed, then this is very important. Just like the video from watchmojo.com, your videos are going to be utilizing voiceovers rather than footage of you speaking. There are a lot of ways of making voiceovers for your content. If you're on a tight budget, then you can simply write your script yourself and use your cell phone audio recorder to record your voice. Just try to find a quiet, soundproof room to do that. Many successful YouTubers started out recording audios in their closets using their cell phones, so there's no shame in doing so yourself. Just seek to improve when you're able to purchase a proper microphone and soundproofing for your channel. But for now, remind yourself that everyone has to start somewhere. Once you've recorded on your phone, you can apply the audio to your video while editing the footage and images you've chosen to include. If you're fortunate enough to do so, you can go ahead and use a microphone and a free digital audio editor like Audacity to record your script. Those of you who already have a mic are in luck, but for the ones who have to purchase one for your videos, it's important to be smart when choosing. Getting a high-quality mic would be recommended, but again, for many starting out, that may not be possible. Luckily, there are plenty of good microphones out there at affordable prices like the AT2020 and Blue Yeti microphones. The Blue Yeti mic is most recommended as it is a USB microphone and is already in use by millions of YouTubers and streamers worldwide. The folks out there who can afford the high-quality mics can go ahead and purchase microphones like the Shure MV7 mic, which is already popular among streamers and podcasters. It's able to connect through an XLR and USB cable, making it highly versatile and desirable. So think about what you'd like to use to record those essential voiceovers. Number 2. Gather free stock footage and images. Of course, good videos do need something visually captivating being displayed to capture the attention of their audience. So while that voiceover is running, images and short clips pertaining to the topic at hand should be visible to the eye of your viewers, just like in the top 10 healthiest foods video mentioned earlier. The main challenge here would be to find out how you'll be able to get your hands on these images and video footage, but there are fortunately several ways to get access to free pictures and videos online. Websites such as Pexels and Pixabay are known for providing great free stock videos and images. It's likely that the channels on YouTube that don't feature a face are indeed using free stock image websites like these to make their videos. The quality of the videos of these channels are still viewed as rather high even without paying for their imagery, so you can create high-quality videos by using Pexels and Pixabay too. These websites are going to be very helpful in getting your videos to be visually captivating without costing you anything extra. If you can, it would also be great to create your own video footage and capture your own pictures to use in your videos. Maybe you can take pictures of healthy foods around your house and at the market. You could even make a recording of just your hands preparing a meal if your camera quality is good enough. Some creators take the route of playing their voiceovers to a screen recording of their own gameplays, but that may not be the best idea for a health channel. It may be good for a gaming channel though, so keep that in mind. Some video editing software also comes with their own stock videos, so if they match within the theme of one or two of your videos, then don't be afraid to utilize them, as long as they add to your content. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Upload videos regularly to your channel. Consistent channels have a higher likelihood of being picked up by the YouTube algorithm, so uploading videos according to a schedule is a must. Your subscribers and general watchers would also appreciate it if you upload content regularly. When you're starting off, building a loyal fan base is essential to your channel, and one of the ways to do that is to give your viewers plenty of content to keep them hooked. Doing so according to a schedule is a great way to make viewing what's on your channel part of your audience's routine. It's recommended that you upload a video every day, but for a lot of people, that may not be a possibility for a number of reasons. If that's the case with you, then start off by trying to post a video to your channel at the same time 3 times a week. For some, this could also be difficult, so a video a week would have to suffice. Before you start uploading videos to your channel, it would be wise to create a multitude of videos to have ready to start posting according to the schedule you decide on. To create these videos, you can use free software such as Canva or OpenShot, which are easy to use and don't cost a thing. Just figure out how to upload your recording and add in your free photos and videos to really make it come to life. There are a lot of you watching this who may not have the time to stick to your schedule after you've run out of pre-made videos. So if that's the case, then getting other people to make these videos for you might be the best option. Freelancers are easy to find on sites like Upwork and Fiverr, and many of them won't take too much out of you to pay for their services. With this, all you'd have to do is choose your niche and video titles and let these freelancers come up with the script, create the voiceovers, and edit the video. This method of running a YouTube channel can also make room for creating several other channels which can each generate their own cash, hence bringing you more money. But if you're just starting out and prefer to do things yourself, try as much as possible to create videos regularly and upload them according to a schedule. Make sure to check out the next video. You are going to discover the best ideas for faceless channels. See you there.